Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an SMM panel, don't choose one just because it has the cheapest price. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 most important things to check before placing an order: refill, delivery speed, and customer support. And I'll use the Msp-panel as an example. Before choosing any SMM panel, first check what services it offers, how clearly the services are explained, and whether important details like speed, refill, minimum order, and maximum order are visible. Msp-panel provides a wide range of social media services, so let's see what you should look for before ordering. Number 1 is refill. This is especially important for services where numbers can drop after delivery. When you're selecting a service, look for a refill option or refill period in the service details. For example, on Msp-panel, check the specific service description before ordering and see whether that particular service includes refill. And remember, don't assume every service has the same refill policy. Always check the individual service. Check before ordering. Refill available? How many days? Automatic or manual? Which services qualify? Number 2 is speed. If you're buying views, followers, likes, or other services, you don't want to wait unnecessarily long. Look at the service's delivery information before placing your order. On Msp-panel, compare the available services and check their stated delivery speed. But keep in mind that speed can vary depending on the service, order size, and current demand. So, don't just choose the cheapest option. Choose a service that gives you the right balance between price, quality, and delivery speed. Number 3 is customer support. This is something many people ignore until they have a problem. Before adding money or placing a large order, check how you can contact the panel if something goes wrong. With Msp-panel, you can check the available support options directly from the panel. Look for things like support tickets, contact options, and response times. Good support becomes especially important when you're managing multiple orders or working as a reseller. Now let's talk about pricing. Don't compare panels only by the price you see at first. Check the price per thousand, minimum order, maximum order, refill policy, and delivery speed together. Msp-panel offers budget-friendly services, but the exact price depends on the service you select. So, always check the current rate directly on the panel before placing your order. Price not equal to everything. Price plus speed plus refill plus support equals better choice. Final verdict. If you're comparing SMM panels, don't make your decision based on price alone. Check refill, speed, support, and service details first. Msp-panel is one option you can consider, especially if you're looking for affordable services and reseller-friendly features. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.